Hello all, welcome to my YouTube channel, The Learning Page. Let's dive into the video. Dr. B.R. Ambedkar Telangana Secretariat, situated at Hyderabad, is the administrative office of the employees of the Government of Telangana in India. The Telangana government on 15 September 2022 has decided to name the new Secretariat complex as Dr. B.R. Ambedkar Telangana Secretariat. Designed by Chennai-based architects Ponni Conceição and Oscar Conceição, the complex has been built by Shapurji Pallonji and Company PVT Limited with all Green Building Council norms. Chief Minister K. Chandrasekhar Rao inaugurated the complex by occupying a chair in his chambers on the 6th floor and signing a few files. A group of priests performed the rituals with chanting of Vedic hymns. New Secretariat complex, which stands 265 feet tall and is spread over an area of 10,51,676 square feet in a sprawling of 28 acres of land here, one of the largest in the country. The Chief Minister had laid the foundation stone for the construction of the Secretariat on 27 June 2019, but the works started only in January 2021, delayed by the COVID-19 pandemic, court cases and other issues. Of the Kakatiya period in Nizamabad, designs of the palaces of the royals of Vanparthi Sansthanam in Telangana and the pattern of the Hanuman temple in Sarangpur, Gujarat, according to the release. It has 34 domes, including two huge domes, which add attraction to the complex. The 6-story Secretariat, with 635 rooms, 30 conference halls and 24 lifts, has been built to accommodate 2,000 employees. The government has also built Hindu, Muslim and Christian prayer halls in the Secretariat. They have been made more spacious and beautiful than before. The government has provided flexibility to get the construction done according to the wishes of the respective religious leaders. Thank you.